Here is the factory camera on the Holy Stone 700. Let me put the camera down here. Smooth as can be. This is the test of the Holy Stone 700 with a attached GoPro Hero camera. And as you can see, it does not have the data cable that you would think the original camera has that goes into that USB port. You would think that that would give you control from this to take pictures or whatever, because they say it's made for the GoPro. Well, the only thing that's true about what they say about the GoPro 2, 3, and 4 is the gimbal. Yes, you can attach the GoPro camera to the gimbal, which, okay. Anyways, we're going to come down here and we are going to put the camera there and take a look at it. And I will come back up to my controller and I am going to push the magic red button. Now I want you to take a look at this. Look how she's shaking. Listen to the noise. Look how she's moving around. All right, let me back off here. A few things you need to know about this GoPro camera and the Holy Stone 700. One is the mount is the only thing that's compatible with the GoPro. Two is the GoPro 2, 3, and 4 both work on 2.4 gigahertz, the same thing as the controller for the HS. When you put the GoPro on and you attach it to your phone, which is running the GoPro app, you'll get a picture. Everything looks good, you know, because you're only a few feet away from your mobile device to the GoPro camera. The controller talks, you get full bars. But here's the deal. As soon as you raise this thing about 10 feet in the air, all of a sudden you start hearing beeping on the controller. It's losing bars. If you go, I went as high as 30 feet, lost control of it completely. I had to walk till I was completely under the drone. Then I was able to get control and bring it back to a landing. I did not fly the drone anywhere. I just went straight up. So the GoPro uses 2.4 gigahertz. The Holy Stone uses 2.4 gigahertz. You got conflicting frequencies, and they're canceling each other out. This is a DB Power 4K camera, about $50 from Amazon. This is like a $15 gimbal that I got from Amazon also for my. So I will slide that into place. I will slide out. I will slide the bugs into it. Make it look about the same if I'm going to do it. Put it where you can see it. Now, as you can see with this, smooth as can be. I'm actually filming with my GoPro camera that I bought for this drone, which is, let's see how smooth it is. I mean, if you don't want to fly, this doesn't have that FPV to it, so I can't do that. But the controller does have the LCD screen for height and distance and battery charge of the drone itself. So let me drop that down.